In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Python extension in VS Code. By the end, you'll have the official Python tools set up inside Visual Studio Code so you can write, lint, and debug Python smoothly. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. You should see the main editor window with a vertical activity bar on the left. That bar is where we'll find everything we need. Look for the icon that looks like four squares, often called the extensions view. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also open the extensions view using the built-in shortcut on your system, but clicking the icon works just fine. Once the extensions panel opens, you'll see a search box at the top. Click into that search field and type the word Python. VS Code will search the marketplace and list matching extensions. You'll likely see quite a few results, but the one we want is the official Python extension published by Microsoft. It typically appears near the top and has a very high install count and reviews. Selecting the correct publisher matters because it ensures you get the trusted, feature-rich extension that integrates tightly with VS Code. Click the Python extension entry to open its details page. Here, you can skim the description, view features like IntelliSense, linting, formatting, and debugging, and confirm the publisher information. When you're ready, click the Install button. VS Code will begin downloading the extension and preparing it for use. During installation, you may see a prompt asking you to trust the publisher. This is a standard security step to confirm you're comfortable installing software from the listed source. Verify that the publisher is Microsoft. Then click Trust Publisher and install. This helps protect your environment by ensuring only vetted extensions run inside your editor. After a few moments, the extension should finish installing. You'll notice new Python-related options appear in VS Code, such as language features and helpful prompts when you open a Python file. If the Install button changes to show that the extension is enabled, you're all set. If VS Code suggests any optional companions later, like tools to improve linting or formatting, you can review them and decide based on your workflow, but that's not required right now. That's it. You've successfully installed the Python extension in VS Code. With this in place, you'll benefit from smart code suggestions, error checking, and an integrated debugging experience. Open a Python file to see it in action, and you're ready to start coding with confidence.